Hare Krishna, welcome. Let us go to the sloka time, 9th chapter, 25th sloka of Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
यान्ति देवव्रता देवान् पितॄन् यान्ति पितृव्रताः भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्या यान्ति मद्याजिनोऽपि माम्.
Now please join me in the introduction to Lord Krishna's great qualities. Krishna has made a permanent law for all of us, for all our good and bad deeds. This way, he does not have to apply his mind every time with everyone for every circumstance. And a decision after that, whom to send to which world for what reaction he has committed. That is, he has made his job easy for himself. There is a way of organized work also. Those who worship the demigods will take birth in the world of demigods. That is clear. There are also people who worship ghosts and spirits. Say, for example, a long forgotten great grandfather whom they believe is a ghost or spirit, and they separately worship him. Such people, they will take birth in among such beings only, ghosts and spirits. There is no choice. And those who worship ancestors, that is in a decent way. Ancestors must be great people. They go to the world of ancestors, Pitraloka. There is one ultimate thing, that is, those who worship me, Krishna says, will live with me in my land, that is my abode, that is a spiritual world called Goloka Vrindavana. That is heading all the other spiritual worlds like Vaikuntha and other Vaikuntha planets. Vaikuntha, as we know, and there are millions of Vaikuntha planets. It may be news to you, but it's a fact. Krishna is willing to take us to all these worlds at the cost of our reactions. That means the ticket is our reactions. So many punyas, okay, so much duration. So many pap, then the duration of the hell. Is it not great, such an arrangement? Now, showing the world triggers the memory of a similar circumstance by our great family, Govind, Sridevi and Chandu, our great backbencher, superstar of backbenchers. Now in this, the butt of the joke is not Chandu as usual. He does some mistake and then we are making fun of him. No. In this case, the butt of the joke is Mr. Govind himself. Once Chandu was asking Mr. Govind, Daddy, why don't you show us the world? We want to see the world. Then Govind said, okay, you will get the arrangement tomorrow itself, I'll show you. I'll tell you what arrangement I'm making. Even Sridevi was surprised. He goes out, Govind has gone out. Then she tells Chandu, it is very surprising. Govind has, our father has never agreed to anything so quickly. Next day, Govind comes with a big, parcel, packed neatly. Seeing this, both Sridevi and Chandu are having doubt. An international ticket will not be of this size package. Then he opens and telling, you wanted to see the world? Okay, he opens up. There is a globe. Then naturally, both were disappointed. They were expecting something and they are getting something. So, showing the world in Chandu's and Govind's method is entirely different than Krishna's. Hare Krishna.